Hello, this is Abdullah Bahattab, and today I'm going to show you how to download an app in Windows 10. In my findings, I found Apple Store is more convenient and efficient compared to Microsoft Store. Now, I will show you how to download an app from Microsoft Store and where you can find the app after it's downloaded. First, you can either type Microsoft Store here, and it is the first option, this one, or simply tap the Windows icon and here it is, Microsoft Store. When you click on it, let me just start from the beginning. So when you click on it, you will see a variety of apps. Some apps you need to purchase to download and some free apps. Let's first go with the free app. Let's go with this one, for example. When you click on this, on the app that you want to download, you will have to click on Get to start downloading, and when you hit Get, it will start downloading automatically. It's supposed to be, yeah, it start downloading automatically. And since it's gonna take a while, I'm gonna show you where to find the app after it's downloaded. So we simply go to the right corner here and downloads and updates. When you click on it, you'll see all the apps that you own, and here it is, the app that we just uh, hit download to get it. And after it's done, you'll find it here, and by clicking on it, you will enjoy the app. The difference between the free app and the purchase app is, instead of saying get, it will say buy, and when you hit buy, it will ask you for the payment method that you wish to use to complete this transaction. And after you provide this payment method, it will start downloading automatically. So briefly, I talked about how to download an app from Microsoft Store and where you can find the app after it's been downloaded. Again, this is Abdullah Bahattab. Thank you.